Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Roof Inn Cullman. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Red Roof Inn Cullman is located conveniently off Interstate 65. Free Wi-Fi is available in all rooms of this hotel as well as cable TV. A work desk is also provided in every room, which is something business travelers will enjoy. Laundry facilities is on site at Red Roof Inn Cullman, along with vending machines for snacks and drinks. A 24-hour reception is also available for added convenience. This hotel is 2 miles from the Cullman County Fairgrounds and 10 minutes drive from the Avenue Maria Grotto Preparatory School. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.